Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a delicious caprese balsamic salad made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Beautiful family, I want to show you how I prepare my caprese salad. I have a bunch of basil. I'm only using the leaves, but let me tell you, very few ingredients, very fresh ingredients that once you make this amazing salad at home, there's no need to go to a restaurant and order this amazing caprese salad. Look at this. Once you got all your leaves, put them aside and then continue with your large tomatoes. I am going to slice away my tomatoes, not too thin and not too thick. This salad goes so well in this hot weather. The salad is so fresh. The ingredients that you're using, try to use the best ingredients. The balsamic glaze, oh my God, the olive oil, just transporting myself to Italy. And of course, you have your fresh mozzarella cheese, nice and soft, nice and juicy. And let me show you this mozzarella cheese. It's already pre-cut, pre-sliced. And oh my God, what can I tell you? All these fresh ingredients make the salad amazing. Salt, black pepper to taste. And of course, the best olive oil you have at home, the best balsamic glaze you have at home, and then you're ready to prepare. Look how easy this is. Organize it right, nice and beautiful. And I am sure your family is really going to enjoy this amazing salad. Like I always say, when you cook and you bake with love, everything comes out perfect. And this is a very easy salad, but yet so refreshing with ingredients that are so fresh. And this is the best part. When you make it at home, you enjoy it with your beautiful family. I'm going to add enough salt and black pepper so that this really tastes amazing. And now this is the best part, adding the toppings. What am I going to add? I'm going to add a little bit of salt right on the top. Remember that salt is to taste. Black pepper, some olive oil, and of course, the balsamic glaze. This looks amazing, and I am sure it's going to taste perfect and delicious. Look at this. Be generous with your balsamic glaze. And of course, if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy it with your beautiful family like I am going to enjoy it with my beautiful family. A delicious and fresh caprese salad. I'm completely done with this Caprese Italian salad. Let me tell you, this is so refreshing, perfect for this hot weather. And when you make it at home, just amazing. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. So delicious. The mozzarella cheese is so fresh. The tomato, the glaze on the top, really, oh my God, amazing. If you like and love this amazing Caprese Italian salad, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye bye.